Okay, you'll see that orange through there, and just coming out the top. That didn't take too long. I could have probably dumped that a little bit sooner, but that's okay. Okie dokie. So I'll go ahead and get her dumped in here. Watch, this thing is hot. Now you could dump a little more on here. I might just put a couple more pieces on here. I don't need a whole lot. Almost looks like a rock. And then put the grates on this. Okay, so I put the grate on. Then I've got my grill grates. I only use 2 of the 4. Okay, because I don't need all 4 of them. I'm only doing 3 chops. So anyway, I'm gonna set that down. We're gonna get it good and hot. Okay, gonna make sure all these are wide open. Remember, the bottom ones are wide open. Remember, this is my gray one. I'm just showing you how the other one cooks as well. Always leave a pan down here too, because some ashes do fall through. I just like putting that there. Okay, let's see what temperature this boy is at. Yeah. You don't have to have one of these. I like having it. But she's reading right there about 459, 438, 457. Definitely hotter on this side here. All right, so I'm gonna move them this way a little bit and then bring them out. I'm cooking pork chops today. Usually I cook steaks on this thing, but I thought had some chops out and they look pretty good. We'll give it a whirl. At this point, if you wanted to throw some wood or something on there, you most certainly can. Throw them on here. Okay, we got them all 3 on. There we go. All right. You could cross hatch these however you want to. If I was doing competition, I would have done this just a little bit different. I'd had my other grates and stuff there, but you see that? I'm not at a competition. I just flipped them, waited a little bit longer than the one over there, but that's okay. Competition, we'd have another option, but this isn't a comp. All right, let's just check them for grins. Okay, now let's check these babies out. I'll leave a little hole in them and let them rest. A little squash, a little salad, some beets.